Hello YouTube, this is Mark Rodriguez, co-founder of Rodriguez Farms. And we're here at our local garden in Chino Hills, right off Bayberry. And we're going to start planning out what we're going to be doing this year. This is bed number 1, raised bed number 2, raised bed number 3, and over here we got raised bed number 4. We also got this area. I have these vertical gardens. I think I'm going to put strawberries or herbs. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 12 of them. Over here we got a few more. Have a lime tree. And right here we got another lime tree. So all along this area right here, I'm going to be putting blueberries, raspberries, and grapes. Setting up trellises. Around this area, I am going to put a pumpkin patch, some watermelons. In this area right here, I'm going to put some sunflowers, which I did last year. The last area is this part right here in the back. Leads up to the hill. In this area we have an almond tree. Pomegranate. And then the latest one is this little avocado tree. So that was a little tour of the park. Please subscribe to our channel. We're going to be uploading a lot more videos this year.